How to design a website in Wix Studio. So this is actually really easy. What you can do is you can just utilize your sidebar right here. So we have in here the sidebar, we have the add elements, we have the layers, the pages, the visual site map, as well as site styles, media, and a lot more. So if you want to design your website in one click, I recommend to use your site styles. When you click on it, it will open this one. You can change up the colors for this. Like for example, we have colors 1 until 12. We also have the fonts and also the text styles. You can change it up. So for example, let's change up the violet thing right here. Let's just click on the color 8. And then for example, let's change it up to blue. Now, as you can see, it has changed the whole theme in here. Now, there's actually a lot more. We have in here the images as well as other options that you can choose from. You can add some elements and make it your own liking. So that's how you design a website in Wix Studio. Hope you helped.